This is Chris Kelly with a simple demonstration of some of the exercises and the setup for our Phase 3 circuits. Now for Phase 3, our ultimate endurance phase, this is kind of the pinnacle of our core training experience. By now the client is able to hold in a plank for up to 90 seconds. They possess great core strength and stability. So what we're going to do is increase and really add some demand to the system with some progressively hard core training. With that said, we're going to utilize a stability ball to kind of create a little bit of instability, actually kind of make this a little more difficult, and by the same token it's going to help us to kind of brace the core a little bit harder. The difference between this circuit versus any other is that we're simply going to extend the time under tension. Alright, whereas with our Phase 2 circuit, we did a strength and a stability exercise. What we're going to do here is perform a strength exercise followed by an unstable dynamic stability exercise. We're actually moving the limbs and trying to resist movement, and then we're simply going to hold statically. So, by combining those three elements, the three things that we utilize progressively with our core training, we're going from hardest to easiest, and really providing, a total overload for, this area, the ultimate endurance, stability, and, strength demand. So, with that said, what I'm going to do is just perform 6 of each exercise followed by a hold. Okay, so here I've got a stability ball straight leg sit up. What I'm going to do is squeeze the ball. That's going to help me to tighten my abs. And just sit up fast, down slow, 6 times. 4, 5, 6. From here, I'm going into a stability ball stir. Alright, with the stir, I'm going to come up into a plank position, stir the ball 6 times to one side, and 6 times to the other side. Finally, holding in a plank for a predetermined amount of time, 30 to 60 seconds. Alright, again, those can be performed for reps, those can be performed for time as well, but the point is we provided a strength challenge, a dynamic stability challenge, and then really burning things out with the static plank hold. On the stability ball, it's a little bit harder as well. So with those 3 elements incorporated, that really is going to provide the ultimate challenge for anybody. It's going to force the core, all areas of the core, to stabilize, activate, kind of get that effect that we need all over, and really train the core in a functional and aesthetically pleasing manner.